You are a remarkable being with a boundless potential and a deep and profound love, an infinite intelligence, and a creative capacity which is beyond all comprehension. But it's likely that you've forgotten this because you've been conditioned, like we all have, to believe that you are human. You are this idea, this limited self, which is separate from life, individual from existence, from creation. And it's been very convincing growing up in this world with these limited notions and assumptions of what we are and what we should be. But you've bought into it. And so the only way to remember your true nature is to give it away again. Because it's not about learning anything. I nor anyone else can teach you how to be all that you are, all that you desire to become, all that you wish to experience and create, because you already know it. You've always known it, except that it seems that you've forgotten because this world is so convincing and it's really impressed upon you its conditions and limitations. But just beyond the mind, which is where all these illusions are held, is your infinite intelligence, is the consciousness which is at the heart of everything and everyone, and it connects all of life. And it is the source of all manifestations, all appearances. All of creation is right at the heart of your consciousness. And the journey to here, to where you are right now, is the same journey which, if you retrace your steps and untangle those energetic knots of self-concepts, of self-image, of the traumas that contain you, that contract you, that constrict you, when you resolve these, when you let them go, when you surrender everything that you think you are to your true nature, and you let go in faith of your greater, higher self, you are bestowed with a power so great that it could never be understood by the mind. It doesn't follow a linear path. It is not a progressive development or improvement of an incremental nature. It is a quantum leap. Stepping beyond the mind into the unknown of your true self is to have ultimate conviction. It is to be in alignment with all of life and to be supported and held by the abundance of God, of your true self. And it is the end of suffering because it is the end of separation. And the love that you have access to, the joy that you have access to in that natural state is beyond anything that you could acquire or accomplish or achieve in this world. And funnily enough, when you surrender to that nature and you allow it to become you, to move through you, to embody it, then everything that you could have ever wanted, anything that you ever could desire to have, will appear in your life, because you will have stopped chasing it. When you chase something, it is running away from you. That is the meaning of chase. But when you become something and you become so compelling and magnetic that it is attracted to you, that it is seeking you, then that is effortless. And that is your true nature. That is your power to manifest, to create effortlessly with your imagination, with inspired action, not self-discipline and force, but with the power of your spirit, of your consciousness, the boundless, infinite intelligence, which is at the heart of every timeline, every moment, every appearance, every being. It is here and now. It is not over there. It is not in the future. It is not on the other side of some thing that you need to get or become or achieve. But it is a reflection of yourself. So give up your self-concept. Give up the need to improve yourself, because it is perpetuating the illusion that you are not already that which you seek. And when you remember that you have always and already been everything, then you come into alignment with the power that you are. And you can experience instantaneously and immediately whatever it is that you want. And that is this new game that we are all here to play, is to remember our childlike nature, our innocent, pure consciousness, and to live in the freedom of our true nature, to create whatever it is that we desire to experience. I'll see you there.